Alright guys, this is William Jamming. Welcome to my channel. You're watching a series of video of 1000 tips of me just learned about drawing manga. And today I want to discuss a little bit about anatomy. I want to talk about the human shapes, especially the wrist area. So the wrist area has been always been the part where I find so frustrated because I don't know the proportion, and then I realized that you can sort of use shapes to represent the rib cage as well as the wrist area. So let me show you. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is to, instead of just draw, say, the human body, the outline, the contour, something like that, and then the breast, something like that, and then waist and some and eyeball it, and then drawing down. I'm not going to do that, but instead I'm going to first draw the basic shape. So the rib cage, you can sort of treat the rib cage as a basic shape like this, and things is like a 3D shape. I'm going to do something like this. So it's a 3D shape. Okay, so it's a 3D shape like this. And then I want it to curve a little bit. So instead of just connecting the dots, but rather I'm going to draw a individual shape down below. So this side and this side should be approximately the same. Okay, and this side, the top, will be a little bit shorter than the bottom part. Okay, and then since it's like a 3D, so I'm going to draw a sort of 3D like. Okay, so just to draw two basic shapes, and after that I'm going to cut it because I want to talk about the proportion. Okay, so I'm going to cut it in half and cut everything in half. So I got this 1/4, just a quarter of the width here. And once you are getting that, you're going to get the approximately quarter of the height as the area in between. Okay, I already done that for you. So if you haven't drawn this lower part, you're going to find this area, the length, and you're going to move it down a little bit. Okay, and then draw another. Okay, so once you are satisfied with this, then you can connecting the area. Okay, so once you got the basic shape ready, I'm going to use another colored pen. Sorry about that. I just grabbed the pen that I have. Okay, and then the first thing I'm going to do is not start from drawing from top, but rather I'm going to just to get the connecting area, because this is the place where I think it's very tricky. So instead of just connecting the line here, I'm going to like extrude that and make it like a inward a little bit. So what I'm going to do is do something like this, inward a little bit, and give a hint of a certain volume. And remember, we got this dot here, and then we start from here and connecting the area. Okay, and then down below. So instead of just connecting these two dots, I'm going to make it little, make it inside and then outside. Okay, and here it goes the same way. So this will be like the outer part of the body. Instead of just connecting here, I'm going to do here and curve a little bit, and then go outside, and then extrude it. It's not like it connecting that directly, but extrude a little bit. So you got something like this. Okay, and then once you got this tricky connecting part ready, you can continue to draw the upper body part. And the upper body part, you have to think a little bit about anatomy. Okay, so for example, the neck area will be approximately here. So the neck, sorry, I should have used like the I don't know how to say that. I should use a pencil to do that, because I don't want like to do something like this and you can't erase it. So you're going down and left and right. Okay, so you just got the edges of the shape, the rib cage, and then you extrude a little bit because we got the hand area. Extrude a bit and going down, extrude a little bit, and we got arm. Let's just draw the arm. So arm, we go here, okay, go here, and going down. This would be the arm. But also you need to, since it's a female body, you need to consider the breast area. So the breast, I'm sort of treat this as a balloon that's curved with the body. So as a balloon curved with the body, and extrude it, and because of the gravity, we'll just drop down a little bit, and going something like this. And here, we would draw the line for the balloon, and then draw the balloon, okay, and drop it down because of the gravity, drop it down because of gravity, something like that, okay. And then it should go like the left and right rather than like crank in the center. That's what I learned, and I'm going to just draw it. And here we got the rib cage, okay. The rib cage should like go inside a little bit, so I'm going to draw something like this, because it's like a extrude inside, and the belly part is very flat. So I'm going something like this, inside down. Yeah, and of course, in order to show the volume, you can have some of the line here, and then belly button and here, okay. And then we got this the leg area, okay. So the leg area, I sort of treat this as a triangular shape, and then the leg. I'm going to talk about this later. Right now, let's just draw this triangular shape, because you start from here, go here, and I sort of treat this as a triangle. So go all the way down here, a triangle, but do not like a really sharp triangle. So you curve it up, okay. And the things is like a cylinder, so you should get rounded shape, going somewhere like this. And then this area should extrude a little bit, the belly area. So I'm going to draw a reference line to represent the extrusion, so you can do the better shading. So if you want to shade it, you can say the area here, shaded area here, something like that. Down below, you can shade it like that, and of course you can add a little bit hint of the breast, so it's so you can show a little bit volume, and then you can add a shading, something like that. Doesn't really matter, okay. So you can draw the arm parts. Let me just draw a little bit. Okay, so that's what I learned. And yeah, remember we got the bone here. So bone. Got like the indenting area here. Remember, since it's like the 45-degree side view, it's not like 45, maybe 30 degrees rotated clockwise. So the left side and right side should be not the same. Okay, so yeah, that's what I learned. Hope it helps. So basically, draw basic shape, and the middle part of the tube shape is cut that to 1/4, and then leave it area here, and then connecting that. While you're connecting, it's not connecting here or just the curve, but rather just get inside and get outside. It will curve, and get inside, get outside. Yeah, that will give you a better anatomy. At least that's what I learned. Okay, and yeah, hope this is helpful. If you think my video is helpful, do please give me a thumb up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.